Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now today's video is going to be a collective haul video. I'm aware that many of you enjoy watching haul videos, so I always try to make sure that we have one haul video at least maybe once in 2 months or once a month, depending on how much money somebody has to spend. Okay, I have been acquiring some things over the last couple of weeks that I have been off YouTube and everything. Many of them came with my mom when she returned from the US 2 days to Christmas, because I shopped for some things on Amazon that she brought back, and I think I shopped from one other place. Anyway, I'll show you guys. If you guys want to see all of this random stuff, okay, from fashion to makeup to hair accessories, just keep watching. And also I have a subscriber that sent me a lot of things, but anyway, let's get right into this video. So this bag, I'm not even sure. Yeah, can you guys see how big this bag? Yeah, that bag is heavy. Let me show you guys first of all the things I ordered on Amazon. So I did order a few things on Amazon, and instead of paying that ridiculous Amazon shipping to Nigeria, I just shopped and then shipped over to my brother's house, and then Momsy brought them back for me. So let me show you guys really quickly. All right, so the very first thing that I picked up from Amazon is this DSLR suction cup camera mount. I did ask for this in one vlog. I think after I bought my car, I asked where I could find this car camera mount, not the ones for the phones, the one for the camera, so that I can be vlogging when I'm in my car, even when I'm driving, and the camera is stable. But funny enough, nobody actually answered me when I asked in that vlog, so I did my research myself. I went on Amazon and I found this. So I'm not sure how much this cost me on Amazon. So yeah, I just literally looked at it briefly, but I haven't even mounted it yet in my car. So when I'm going out later today, I will try mounting this on my car, and yeah, I'm sure it will work perfectly. So that's the first thing I picked up on Amazon. Then I picked up spare batteries, guys. Spare batteries. As a content creator, you cannot be using only one battery to be filming things, and that's what I've been doing. My vlogging camera, I have only been using one battery. The one battery that came with that vlogging camera is what I have been using all this while. So I had to order spare batteries. These ones are for my G7X Mark II, my vlogging camera. I'm super happy about that. I have to charge them first before using, and it will just make my job easier, because there are so many times that I have actually, my battery would go off right in the middle of filming, and I have to wait and charge it and then use. So it's just, it can be a mess. So yes, extra batteries now for my vlogging camera. Okay, then I also got extra batteries for my DSLR camera that I'm using to film right now. Okay, my ATD. These ones are much bigger than the other one. I got them also in a set of 2 because I did have 2 batteries for this camera, but one of it went bad, so I just got 2 spare ones to alternate with this main one, this Folocom one that I'm using right now on the camera. So this was also really necessary. Okay, then I got this. This is a titanium hair and beard styling iron. I do have a regular styling iron, which is right here. This one I have from Lava Beauty, but I needed a tiny hair straightener styling iron for my pixie, for my short hair, and I found it on Amazon. Let me show you guys what it looks like so you see that it's really tiny. So yeah, it's a very small styling iron, really tiny, great for pixie cuts and all that, short hair basically, really tiny. So I'm very happy about this purchase. So I will just post the links in my description box if you want to buy any of this stuff. Okay, so the next thing I got are phone cases. Yes, I get very bored with how my phone looks, so I tend to always buy phone cases, and Amazon has some of the best quality phone cases, and I've had these ones in my wish list on Amazon for a very long time, so I knew I had to buy them. And the first one is this one, this velvet caviar case. It has a very nice marble effect thing that I really love. This is what it looks like. Let me see if I can bring it out. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. My camera is washing it out a bit, but it looks something like this. I also picked up a second one that I have been using since I got my package and all that. This one's already on my phone. It's also a nice marble thing. I really love this. And the beautiful thing about this particular case is that it's a 2-in-1 case. So it has like the regular schmegular case for the back of your phone, but then it also has a case for the front of your phone, like a proper case. That's where this blue thing is. It's really cool. I love it so much. It just made my phone feel a lot bulkier, and I just love it. The colors, everything, so cute. Yeah, I think that's all I got on Amazon. Not much. Okay, then I went on Huda Beauty and I ordered my favorite foundation of all time, okay, the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. I mentioned in one of my vlogs that one of my subscribers was supposed to get this for me, and she said she actually got it, but her hubby forgot to send that one. So I guess when that one eventually comes, I'll have a backup. But yeah, I had to get this. I'm in the shade Toffee 420G. That's my shade, and I love this. So yeah, I just basically put in my address manually on the Huda Beauty website, and they delivered to me my doorstep, DHL, fast and easy. All right, so still on makeup, I ordered some things from Juvia's Place. I haven't shopped on Juvia's Place in a while, so I thought to just, you know, dash them my coins a little bit. Okay, so I did get the Juvia's Place foundations. I've always had one. This is the one I've always been using, this one, but right from the onset it was always too light for me, too light for me. So each time I use this foundation, I have to mix it with other foundations to get a good shade. But I just bought 2 darker shades, darker than that one. I got 2. Okay, this one is in the shade Casablanca 450. This one is in Rio 430. So bad as a bad, one will be my shade, or even if I have to still mix, no wahala, but it's not as light as the other one. So I got 2 foundations from Juvia's Place. Then I also want to try out their I Am Magic setting powder. I've heard good things about it, so I bought one of that. I bought this one in the shade Sahara. It has this banana powder kind of look, so yes, I'm hoping that I enjoy using this. Then I haven't bought eyeshadow in such a long time. I have 1001 eyeshadow palettes, but I get tired of them easily, so I picked up this one from Juvia's Place as well. This is the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, and it's just a very nice neutral palette. It has all your golds, your bronzes, your browns, you know, and I feel like I would really enjoy using this. So yeah, those were all the things I got from Juvia's Place. So next up, one of my subscribers in New York reached out to me via DM to ask that she sends me a package for Christmas, myself and Mia Rose, and I just thought it would just be like one thing, one item, or like 2 items, but that's bad. But this lady sent a whole lot of things, and my mom told me that when she received this item, she couldn't believe it was one person that sent it. Okay, all this plenty things from one person. And if you're watching, thank you so much. I'm sure you don't want me to mention your name or anything like that, but thank you so much. This was extremely generous of you. Let me show you guys all of these cute things. Okay, so for me, she sent this really cute blouse. Anybody that knows me knows that I love blouses. Like, I'm obsessed with blouses. It has like an inner camisole thing here, and then the blouse is like a gold. Okay, it's like gold and black. It's a reflective kind of, you know, thing. So yeah, this really cute blouse that I love so much, like so much. Then she also sent me this really cute black dress. Like, this dress is so pretty. Okay, it's so cute. Look at the sleeve. Gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous. It's like a pencil dress, but it has a lot of room, so this is definitely right up my alley. I love this so much. The material is a bit thick though, but Harmattan is here. It's cold some mornings, so we can wear this. Okay, then she sent me this waist purse, which I feel is amazing for like my workouts, if I need to take a walk around my area, or I just want to play proper hip-hop dress up. It's so cute. It has this cute quilted you know, finish. It's so pretty, and the quality is amazing. Then she got me these. She got me this. It's a bracelet. Okay, Let me show you guys. This is so thoughtful. Like, I don't know if my camera is getting this. Such a very cute bracelet, and there's even like lip balm also in the bracelet box. So thoughtful. Then she sent these cute sneakers, trainers, whatever you want to call it. These cute ones, and this is just screaming, let's travel, let's travel, let's travel, let's travel. And travel we shall this year. I feel like this is perfect for airport style, and you know, just like I said, when I want to just dress in a hip-hop way, you know, these are so cute. Like, I absolutely love this so much, and I cannot wait to wear these. We've not finished though. This my beautiful subscribers who sent things for me and Rose. Let me show you guys. Everything I'm holding here is what she sent for me and Rose. And let me start with this one. So this is just a very nice, cute top that says #1 kid. It came with matching pants. I feel like this is a pajamas. Yeah, I actually do feel like this is actually a pajamas. So it says #1 kid. The trousers still seem a bit long for her. I feel like this is what she would wear in like another 2 years or so, because it might be a bit big for her. But this is the first thing that she sent. Then you guys see, I have amazing subscribers. Like, she sent this cute set as well for Mia. It's also a top and pants set. It's a 2-piece set, so I don't think it is a PJs. This is like, this quality is amazing for it to be PJs. But yes, this really cute set as well for Mia Rose. Then you guys, look at this. Look at this dress. So pretty. Like, this dress is so pretty, and it's a 2-in-1. It has like a proper dress inside, and you guys see a proper dress inside, and then like a coat kind of thing on top. So beautiful. Like, so beautiful. I am obsessed with this outfit. So obsessed. And then we have this, okay, also a set, a blouse, a top, and then with the pants. I love that it has a cute bow at the bottom. So pretty. Man. And then last, she now sent this one too. Also a set, all right, a top and pants. It has this cut on it that says meow. It sparkles. It has like sequin and stuff, and then it has like matching pants. So beautiful. If you are watching, thank you so much. This means so much to me and I. It means so much. So thank you so much. God bless you and God replenish you. Thank you so much. Then I shopped from a particular brand some time ago, like last week or so. They are based in Lagos. I saw a set that Bisola wore on Instagram. Bisola of Big Brother wore on Instagram, and I also saw it on Bimbo Ademoye, and I knew I had to have it. One, because it was a set, a shorts and a shirt set, almost like a PJ. It looks like PJs, but they were not PJs, and obviously the color totally sold me. Okay, I had to order it. So it's from a place called All Simple Fashion, and this is what it looks like, guys. Let me show you guys what it looks like. The colors, man. So this is the shorts, okay? These is the shorts. Look at those colors, guys. Look at those colors. This is the shorts, and then this is the top. You guys know that we are in this pajama trend season, so this is what the top looks like, okay? And I cannot wait to rock this. The quality of this thing is ridiculous. Like, it has such good quality. I'm hoping I can wear this for an event very soon or something. I feel like I would wear this with heels or even with sneakers and it will look bomb. Last but not least, I have a candle here. This candle was a gift from one of Latoya's friends while Momsy was in America. What's her name again? Sheila. She was actually her maid of honor for the wedding, so she gifted me this really cute candle, guys, and it is so cute. Like, it has it's so beautiful. You guys know I love candles. It has like a Christmas bell thing, and it has, the body is kind of rough. It has like splashes on it, and it is in the scent Christmas cookie dough, and I swear it smells like cookies, guys. Ah, it smells so much like cookies. Thank you so much, Sheila. If you're watching, I will cherish this. You know me, I love candles. So yeah, love this already. And yeah, guys, I think that's all that I wanted to show you guys in this haul, collective haul of like different things. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul video, the start of many haul videos to come this year. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Movies make it look so easy. Whoa.